Howdy everyone, welcome to our sprint retrospective. Today we are going to reflect on what went well, what could be improved, and our plans for the next sprint. So, some positives are everyone was on time for the meetings, and our collaboration was smooth, and also communication was easy. And we also set up Jira, defined our user stories and epics, and also structured our workflow by assigning features to each sprint. And would anybody like to add to this?
I agree. Our teamwork was great, and whenever someone faced any issue, and everyone was up to help each other. And as our Jira is set up right now, it'll make our tracking our tasks easier, and working on a single feature will allow us for closer collaboration. And we also work well on our team contract. This will ensure clear expectations and responsibilities. Yeah.
One challenge we faced was that when everybody was working on a single item, it made the situation hard for us to divide the task among us. At times, some of us has had less to do items while waiting for dependencies. So to fix this, we decided to split into groups of two so we can work on multiple features in parallel. We should also improve our sprint planning by breaking down tasks more effectively to ensure balanced workloads.
So I have something to share as well. So I really appreciated the flexibility we saw across the team. So one big change we did was in our architecture flow. Initially, we had a different design in mind, but we worked through implementation, exchanged our ideas with one another, and I think from that perspective, everyone was pretty flexible, and we were able to achieve this architecture diagram on time. Anyone else? Anybody else?
For the next sprint, we will work in pairs to parallelize tasks and improve efficiency. We will set clear task ownership to prevent overlapping efforts. We will ensure architecture changes are discussed earlier, and we will use Jira effectively to track progress and keep sprint planning structured. Anyone else?
And I think the sprint was productive, and we learned a lot of things about optimizing our workflow. The biggest improvement will be in the next sprint when we decided to split into groups, into pairs, and work on different features. And I think now we have a structured workflow and a better sprint planning and clear ownership. We expect to improve our efficiency in the next. Yeah.
Thanks everyone for your feedback, and we are aligned on making our process more efficient while maintaining strong teamwork. So, for our next sprint, let's apply these improvements and track our progress. Looking forward to see great results.